Goonzquad is a YouTube channel that focuses on restoring and modifying vehicles. Their channel has a massive following with over 2.5 million subscribers, and they have become known for their high-quality work and unique style. Recently, the Goonzquad team has been working on an exciting The Goonzquad team has been working with real-life exotics in California to restore and modify a Lamborghini Aventador. Real Life Exotics is a company that specializes in exotic car rentals, sales, and service. They are known for their high-quality work and their passion for cars, making them the perfect partner for the Goonzquad team. The collaboration between the two teams has been going on for several months now, and they have been documenting the process on their YouTube channels. The Goonzquad team has been responsible for the mechanical and bodywork, while Real Life Exotics has been providing the car and overseeing the project. The Lamborghini Aventador that the Goonzquad team and Real Life Exotics are working on is a special edition model. It was involved in a serious accident and was left in a pretty bad shape. However, the Goonzquad team was up for the challenge, and they have been working tirelessly to restore the car to its former glory. The project has been a massive undertaking, and the Goonzquad team has faced numerous challenges along the way. However, they have persevered, and the car is now almost ready to be unveiled. The final touches are being put on the car, and it will soon be hitting the streets of California. The collaboration between the Goonzquad team and Real Life Exotics in California has been an exciting project to follow. The two teams have worked together to restore and modify a Lamborghini Aventador, and the results are nothing short of stunning. The car will soon be unveiled, and we can't wait to see the final product. We hope to see more collaborations like this in the future, as it showcases the amazing work that can be accomplished when two passionate teams come together. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey as we explored the collaboration between Goonzquad and Real Life Exotics in California. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you never miss out on our future videos. Also, let us know in the comments section below what you thought about this collaboration and what other projects you would like to see in the future. Thank you for your support, and we will see you in the next video.